Are you ready to play? Let's go on a fun adventure with me. Let's learn together. One giggle at a time.
100 for 100 equals 500. When we join 100 and another 100, we get a big 200. It's like stacking to tall towers. 6 plus 24 equals 30. Tiny 6 hops into big 24's arms and they jump together to make 30. 2 plus 13 equals 15. Little 2 joins 13 and together they build a happy block of 15. 366 140 equals 1,000. When these two powerful blocks combine, they launch into a perfect 1,000 number block. 16 plus 22 equals 38. 16 counts forward, 22 runs up, and they land hand in hand on 38. 14 plus 22 equals 36. These two teens love to team up, and together they make a strong 36 block. 12 plus 48 equals 60. 12 adds her dozen to 48's strong square, creating a bright 60. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Two number block 8s spin and merge into a perfect little square 16. 300 plus 1,700 equals 2,000. One small 300 leaps onto a tall 1,700, reaching the top at 2,000. 5 165 equals 170. Tiny 5 brings the final touch to 165, and together they shine as 170. 140 260 equals 400. One block is wide, the other tall. Together they make a perfect 400 square. 360 plus 540 equals 900. Two massive number blocks lock arms and grow into a solid 900 tower. 55 120 equals 175. They shake hands, stack up, and together they become a proud 175. 5 plus 17 equals 22. 5 hops into 17's cart, and together they drive to 22. 76 plus 95 equals 171. One's almost 80, the other nearly 100. Together, they reach 171 with cheer. 32 plus 56 equals 88. These two number pals leap together and form a neat 88 block. 2 plus 40 equals 42. 40 was waiting, and T gave him just the lift to 42. 5 plus 40 for equals 49. Together they cross the bridge to 49, almost reaching 50. 12 plus 28 equals 40. A dozen and nearly 30 team up. They land gracefully on 40. 13 plus 19 equals 32. The teenager team adds up to a friendly and familiar 32. 45 225 equals 270. One big, one bouncy. Their combination stacks perfectly to 270. 8270 equals 350. When a quick 80 hops onto 270's cart, they zoom into 350. 2 plus 16 equals 18. The smallest block helps 16 count just a bit more, landing on 18. 6,320 equals 380. 60 and 320 love teamwork. Together they form a towering 380.